If your photos look dull and flat, this RGB technique will fix that in less than 1 minute, right? So most people don't know this simple RGB trick in Camera Raw, but it can instantly transform your photos. So you can see this image now. This is before and this is after. So I'm going to show you how I created this RGB look in Camera Raw filter. Hi guys, it's Eglow here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, so that you can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this. And also do well to share this video so that others can also benefit from the video as well. So what we do basically on this channel is to help both the aspiring upcoming photographers, even those who are even masters in the industry, to help them upskill their photography skill, dishing out different valuable tutorials on lighting, color grading, retouching, manipulation of background, or different kinds of photography services. You understand? So you're welcome to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for your continuous. So if you want to see how I color grade my image or images, trust me, I've done series of videos on that and how I retouch my images from start to finish, right? So you can do it to check the channel and see it yourself. And if you also want to have access to my retouching essential pack, if you look at this image now, I retouched the image, color graded the image like this, right? So if you want to see how I retouch my image or have access to my essential retouching pack, I am going to add the link to this video. If you also want to have access to my color grading preset of different skin tone, melanin, light skin, dark skin, of different skin tone preset, right? So I'm going to add everything to the description of this video, so do well to follow the link and have access to them. All right, so in this video I will show you how to create a beautiful RGB color effect using Adobe Camera Raw, right? So this technique helps you enhance colors, control tones, and give your photos a professional cinematic look. Whether you are editing portraits, outdoor shots, this simple RGB adjustment will transform your image instantly. You understand? Sometimes when we want to create these RGBs, most photographers tend to use gel. You understand? Maybe you want to, let's say you are shooting indoor, like in studio. Most photographers tend to use gel of different color, red color, blue color, RGB generally. You understand, right? So just to get this amazing look that you are seeing on the screen now. But that era has come to an end. You understand? So this time around, whether you have gel or you don't have gel, you don't need to pass through that stress again. So with this trick, you'll be able to create this beautiful cinematic RGB that you are seeing on the screen now. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So we are moving the image to Photoshop, where we'll be doing the magic. All right, so we are here in Photoshop now, right? We are here in Photoshop now. So the first thing we are going to do is to create a separate layer, right? Like a complete new layer that we're going to use to transform the image, right? So Command J from your keyboard, that's if you're using Mac, but if you're using Windows, it's going to be Control J. You can see. So after creating a new layer, so come to Filter, click on Filter, and then come to Camera Raw filter. Click on it. So we're going to Camera Raw now, where we'll be doing the magic. So we are here in Camera Raw filter now, right? So what we are going to be doing, we're going to be using linear gradient to create this, this cinematic RGB effect. You understand? So come to this masking here. This masking, you can see masking. So click on it. So when you click on it, come down here and come to linear gradient. You can see linear gradient. You can see a short video of how it is being used. So click on it, right? So when you click on it, so it all depends on how you want it. If you want it in a slant, if you want it circle, it all depends on how you want it. All right, so we just go ahead and just drag it. So we just go ahead and just drag it to how we want it before we start adding the colors. You understand? Okay, this is it. I think this is it, because we're going to be having like different types of colors, right? The RGB. Basically, I'm going to be dealing with orange, red, blue, right? Yeah. So you can see this is it. So now come down to color. So when you come down to color, click on this color here, this color palette here. Click on it. You can see from the color picker now. So it all depends. So you're going to click on the color you want. You can see The moment you start picking the colors, you start seeing the effect on the skin. You can see, you can see, right? You can see beautiful, like it's like the moment you start picking the colors, it starts showing, reflecting on that part where you applied your linear gradient, right? So now I think I will be picking this. Yes, this is good. Hit OK. So if you now from here, you can adjust it either to bring it down, you can see, or to take it up. You can see, bring it down or to take it up. You can see. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this, right? Just going to leave it like this. So if you like, you can increase the saturation. You can see, increasing saturation is increasing the intensity of the color. You understand? Making the color more pop and well pronounced. You understand? So I think I'm just going to add to, like, let's say 10 saturation. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So if you like, you can also add temperature, but I don't think I will need to add temperature, right? Because saturation has done enough. I don't think I want to add temperature. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to pick another. We are going to create another mask, like a new mask for the other part of the skin. So come here, create a new mask, then click on linear gradients again. So you can see, just come here and drag it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you can see. So now you can now drag it down a little bit. Yeah, this is it. Beautiful. So now let's come back to our color. You can see it's there already, color. Then go to this color palette, color picker here, click on it and start picking your favorite color. You can see. You can see. You can see. Very fast and amazing. Like, this is one of the amazing tools I love so much about this Camera Raw filter. You understand? Right? Just like I said earlier from the start of the tutorial, that I'm going to be dealing just with like orange, red and blue, right? So here I'm going to be using blue here. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Just hit OK. This is hit OK. So I'm just going to add saturation to make the color more pop. Let's add 50. Let's take it to 50. Okay, this is it. So now I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. Yeah, bring it down a little bit. Yeah, beautiful. So you can see this is before, after. You can see before, after, before, after. So add more colors, add more beauty to the image. You can see even from the hair. You understand? Even from the hair, you can see. So let me just add a little bit of temperature to make it. You can see this is taking it to the cooler side, and this is taking it to the warm side. So, but then I'm just going to add a little bit of cool to it to make it a little bit intense, right? Yeah, better. Yes, beautiful. So this is before, after, before, after. So we are going straight to Photoshop now, where we'll be seeing the clearer results of the effect. So hit OK. Going to Photoshop now, hit OK. So guys, you can see this is before, after, before, after, before, after. So you can see it's very simple and very, very easy. You understand? Like, it's a simple trick, right? Like, it's a simple thing, but the value it added to the image is something amazing. So guys, you can see this is before, this is after, before, after. Guys, you can see. So, and that is how you create a clean RGB color effect in Camera Raw filter. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more photography and editing tutorials, guys. So, and let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. So I don't know if there's any topic you are finding difficult to understand or find your way around it that has to do with, that is photography related, whichever topic it is, whether background manipulation, photo manipulation, retouching, color grading, whatsoever it is, you understand. So do well to drop that in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video, and also let me know if you are going to try this on your own to add more colors and more taste to your image or images or photos, right? So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.